I recently participated in a debate at my debate club in high school where I was the leader of our debate club, and we debated human rights, where I argued that the reason we made UN in the first place was to secure that there was some fundamental human rights that would always stand over the national states. And because that logic still counts today, we should still keep the human rights as they are. That is called the argument from original intent, because you argue that because a law or an agreement is the same from when it was made and today, we should still keep it the same way and not change it. And that's a very powerful argument, because now your opponent is forced to argue against human rights as a whole, instead of just arguing why we should change some of the rules in our human rights. And that's a much harder position to be in for your opponent in the debate. Your opponent do have some loopholes. They can argue that the logic didn't count back then, or that the logic has changed today. But otherwise, your opponent will be very stuck in the debate. Comment down below what your experiences with this debate technique are, and I'll see you in the next video.